On this episode of Watz-Up, I am here catching up with one of the most creative and energetic members of Jamaica's musical space. His parents named him Damian Lumley, but we know him as...
Quick Cook, Jamaica most famous. Quick!
Moschino.
Girls them can see you now.
Man! All is well, sir?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, man.
To the Almighty, you
It's
know.
a joy, brother.
To being here.
Yeah, man. We know this supposed to happen from a taller time.
True.
But not be time.
Time, man.
Mad thing, man.
And at the right time.
Bad thing. At the right time, for sure.
Yeah,
at the
man.
right time.
As a bad man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Quick, man.
Quick.
So everything cooking.
Yeah, man. Less than 3, man.
Mad thing, man. Make we step back before we deal with what I think the right and all, no?
Real and proper.
Yeah, man. Early life. Where the man born and grew up.
You know, so we born and grow Cassava Pace, Kingston 8. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Cassava Pace.
On the gully side.
On the gully side.
How many brothers and sisters the man have?
Literally speaking, how much brother me have now? You know, me have 1, 2, 3, 4 brother, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and 2 sisters aside.
And all of them still around, still alive?
Yeah, man, life for the greatest thing. One of them get 5 shots, man, but you don't know the Almighty with him. You know? Big up my bigger brother. Them
Yeah,
can't
man.
get you down.
Mad.
Rashid. Quick.
Mommy and daddy still a trad?
Yeah, man. Journey, man. Never stop, man.
Yeah, both of them still about?
Yeah, man, the way I say, man.
Give thanks, man. It's a blessing,
mommy,
that,
they
man.
are for it. Daddy,
Yeah.
up at one place called St. Mary, I do farming.
Okay, cool, man. Cool,
Yeah,
man.
man, mommy in a Buffalo.
Schooling though, where the man attend school?
You know, we used to go short with practice in school, the side. Then
Yeah.
we just come to boom and chance something, don't know, you see it? Because we da
Come
kick
on
the
in
leather.
chance.
No,
Oh, you da play
football.
ball?
Yeah, less than 3 minutes. But you know our style already. We never spend the time because we couldn't acknowledge the training so much. We like music, you see me?
From them time there?
From then time there.
Yeah? After Chartwood Prac, it
Yeah.
was Dunoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you go down at that part there. You finish Dunoon?
No, we never finish because we left quick less than 3 minutes. From we start train, you know we love music, so we start school. Because you know the exercising and the running and them something there, you know? You know, we're not gonna lie. If I'm lying, I'm dying. And music is my thing.
Yeah.
I need more, you know? But me love the goalkeeping and
I keep, you used to keep?
keep.
Okay,
yeah.
cool, man.
You know where I keep, man.
Which grade you leave Dunoon?
I was grade from the first year I go, you know.
Grade 7?
We not stop. From go there, we left quick and fast. quick.
So,
Yeah.
hold on. So, grade 7, see? So, when you stop got Dunoon, like, what was the reason, like...
No, watch this now. We got done, literally speaking, as a baller.
Right.
You see, we never passed the common entrance or nothing like that, literally speaking. Them just want some baller, and we start go and train. So me did get picked on the side.
Okay.
You see me? And in the moment of the training, me can't bother with it because me live a cassava piece and me I got a vax
Way down, so.
go run on the sun and them suck me there. And, you know, till me just say, you know what, can't bother with it. You know. You sight and just love it
what the
out.
parents would have to say about that?
You know, literally speaking, my father had overseas, you know, my mother.
Oh.
Yeah. You know, she's fair thing, Gary.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, she's different from the average, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, mama love, you know. Yeah.
Mama love.
Mama love. Can't go around that.
So yeah, so from early out, you have a desire for the music.
Yeah, man.
How
from
that
early,
come
man.
about though?
No, because me grew in the music, you know. Because my old man is a man. Me grew up and see him have cassette and them thing there in the house. I buy a cassette. Yes, a man who love listen Jar, Lord of Mercy, played by the Crucial Sound. And, you know, him dead and him rock and he's a man who in a music too. Yes, what I say, so him really capture the spirit from my old man.
Yeah, but initially when you started out in the music, you never started out as an artist.
No, me start out as a selector, you know. You see me? Yeah, me start out as a selector because we used to play a song called Liquor Prince.
Liquor Prince.
Yeah, on the gully side, me a footer eye.
Yeah, and footer.
Yeah! Big up footer. Yeah.
Where is this audio? Liquor Prince.
Liquor Prince. So we have to big up 1 year. So me I say on the gully side. Him still up there, you know.
Still up there.
Sean Paul bust off of the sound, ya Buju Banton, you know.
Liquor Prince.
Liquor Prince. At this Sean Paul used to come DJ left from up and Narbrook up in my yard. Buju Banton used to left from the Whitehall come on the gully.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we are some man, Dirty Cup crew. Yeah, man, where the next one the name?
Luga man and all of them.
The Luga man, we need that one, we
Chicken.
brown. No chicken, man. Where next brown and then we lead out Sean Paul. Where him
Dan
name?
Youth?
Dan Youth. Yeah, man, Dan Youth, Sean Paul, Buju Banton, Brocky Diamond. We have to big up them youth there. I even Gaddy, are one of them
You
too,
mean
you know.
Snake Man?
Snake man, what you mean? Before me even go in a church, when the man they come from 6 o'clock, at 6 o'clock the other day before Gaddy and Brocky Diamond, you know where them man they get so much lyrics, sometimes they mix the rhythm them on Friday. Cause me never know DJ, me round the sound, cause this my life.
Mix.
And
Okay.
me and mix and them something there and I watch them and do them thing as a juvenile. So from there so, me and Foota Hype, we start a thing and it look good and it a go on to Melody One. Come in place that a Leroy Sibley sound.
Oh.
Yeah, from down a Whitehall and him say one two bad selector. So at the time, and me and Foota had the man who run the whole ground. So we get the sound and we start dominate the place. And same thing, we used to play with boom boom used to come a cassava piece come play them time that invader. Me no know Harry Hype or boom boom or another little juvenile me know. Yes, right? Yeah. So from there, so.
Oh, yeah, but can't get it, bro.
Oh, yeah, me have to give a piece of the history, man. Yeah, man, because half of the story never been told, man. Boom, boom, Foota Hype and me, we are the selector. Yeah, man.
That's on Melody One.
On Melody One. So, Leroy Sibley's enough respect for acknowledge your powers in the ghetto.
I not even didn't know say Leroy when I saw one, because I interview Leroy, I never know say Leroy.
Leroy Sibley's have one of the nicest sound uptown.
Yeah?
No,
But my music so I saw that nice.
We used to string up with Jam Rock, you know. Metro Media, you know, all of them big
But
sound
big
there,
something
you know.
then, man.
No big nice sound, man. I just show Leroy Sibley's really take it serious.
Right.
Because right now the sound is still real right now.
So Melody One was the last one?
No, Melody One, me the left and go up on my own, you know.
Oh.
You see what I say?
Go
Yeah,
solo.
me the left and go solo. You see me I say, I have a thing called Musky, you know.
Musky, you know.
Yeah, and I dominate the place. So I link up now and start on for my own. Because I did go most of the big event them go play fully loaded Capleton show. Big up Stampede, I say fully loaded, I say Capleton show. But if big up the music, because I'm ever try with my career. I said me come from when I go up them on the level, I level down the place, man. If them even give me 3 songs, the show off in a fire.
Yeah.
I go over fully loaded and them give me 5 minutes and I tell you, say, a 5 song I play and the whole 5 song, the whole place under fire.
Oh, yeah?
We're current strong, man. We don't ramp with it, that man.
Yeah, so the sound thing was your first love, bro.
Yeah, I'm a first love. Because from where I going, we used to DJ in a school, you know. Because me have one song we say, the other day, them broke me shop and me sit down and I cry. Any man broke me shop and die, them gon' die. See me on the street and will ask me why ya. Looking at me face and stop cry. Me tell them say, okay, that no good see. And from there, so we beat the decks. We are a youth named Darren. And I will have vibes in a class. Yes, what me I say, we are DJ and we still have the love for the Selector in same way. But literally, me a DJ as a juvenile in a school.
Oh, okay. So,
Thing, it's a journey, you know, because now you know you're the next side there, you know. Remember me come say, you know, after I see a boom out there, kick it from my own, you know. As Musky, you know, me link up with Vibes Cartel, you know. You see me one of the gods them in the music, you know. And him adapt me, you know, as film selector, you know. You know, tell me, I tell you, man. So who was Cartel selector? And me, Quick Cook, Jamaica most famous, a.k.a. Damian Lumley. Cartel pick up him phone and say, yo, you know, I say I play. Remember me sleep on the whole of the flyers them?
oh.
And when the party them I keep them at Ochi and them thing, the Cartel, we have to dead in asylum, we have to dead. Yeah, we have play the tracks and we have mix same time. Because me was a Gaza selector, you know. And Foota them was the Alliance selector, you know.
Yeah.
So when we in the street I do the thing, I play for my game. Because back in the days of a cassava piece, no man no want play a Cartel, none of the little juvenile them were there. We say them a selector. Because through the Alliance thing, and me are the brave one to come now. And start kick down the place with some Cartel, because we bad for real.
Yeah.
You see what I say? And the man can't tell me where to place a Cartel. Say, no, I would have juvenile down here, I kick down the place up there and I play my thing them. I'm going to go check Cartel, the man give me 21 dub plate. Me never forgot one of father. 21 dub plate. Vibes Cartel give me one time. That's me have to say, here, no more, me no know, me not even know no more. Me have to say, no, he must say, why else? Why else? And me have to say, the man does, remember me and DJ?
Yeah.
No joke in the thing. The last part I me and Cartel I kick it. No joke, Jeff Ripe and the whole of them, my phone a fair ring, where there. No joke in all when Adams them come like at the big party round then, and me book for it. No joke in that thing. One night, I buck Ricky Trooper down and watch it. And him a go on like him a elbow me so now want me play Ricky Trooper. And the people them nearly kill him down there. Because him feel like him close the show and feel like me now go play. As a Gaza selector, he make a sad mistake, pump him in a ear, made the girl them a cheer for. I have to play. And when I come play, I go around him forward, dominate the place. The joke now my thing, I don't lose no where I go. Because if you go hard, I try to go hard and my hand and my foot have broke. Anybody who know me no lie, never tell a lie. Yes, I. So from there, so we do the thing, you know, and it gets serious, you know, and I say, no, it look a way, you know. Yeah, link up with Egyptian, you know, and, you know?
Yeah, all Egyptian part of the thing. How the cartel link kind of fizzle out?
The cartel thing, how it kind of fizzle out, literally speaking, you know. Cartel, they the same way me, they do the thing, you know. And me end up now, look, me don't play them. You see me, as a youth, in the street, cartel is a man, him come out in the evening, sometime in the early part, so. On the process of time, when I left my yard, gully side, I might circle on a father row me.
Okay.
I go down the cartel and there, so I end up go circle out of respect and manners. So on my journey, I know I book up Egyptian.
Oh.
So I saw me and Egyptian start par, and Egyptian kind of respect my energy. You see me, because me as a youth is an energy youth, you know. You see me? So I go out there now, Egyptian we pull up and we did there with Mama Tanya, one girl from up in a Cassava piece around the artists them too. Big up Mama Tanya. You're there for a reason, you're there for a purpose, Mama. You saw it? Yeah, she, real girl, a studio girl. She out with me and we used to grab all up on the water and watch Egyptian car because we're not afraid to do that.
Right.
Because by the end of the day, we still have to make a little dollar. You see me? We not beg no man, but when the singer will sing to the plate and him come out, we get a song and when him come out, the van clean. And we make 1,000 or 120,000, depends on the time of the day. Because sometimes we get a song for myself and he will sing it for me. So from there, so now I will part with him and took off on a cartel and we start boom bang and we start miss some day. Watch a party out when I will get now. Cartel is a man in them very observations, you know. Don't run with him, you know. You see, once you're part in the Gaza camp, he's a man who observe everything. Here, Jeffrey Hype. Daddy, quick cook and miss days, you know. I mean, I say, because you know, you don't run joke around the Gaza thing, you know. But as a bad man, we know our, you know, we know the basic of the thing, how we deal with the ground. So watch this here now. Cartel say, how am I power with? Yeah, Jeffrey Hype. Egyptian. Yeah, God, tell him good. I want how I pick them to, and how I youth from Portmore. And that's how the thing go. Because you can't part the Gaza and go and part the apps, you know.
Right.
You're not trouble. I mean, it's a brave youth to live on the gully and a part with the Gaza.
Yeah, can I ask you that though? There wasn't any look of vibe a piece. I say, yo, because especially the time when him and Gully gotta go at it. And,
oh, you mean? Know. So, in it, man, a vacation, man, over punish town to go, man, and cartel up on stage, and them say, no shot to fire, one mount a gunshot fire, blah, 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 blah. And I check a stop, move out of them and kill them and come and come here. Me afraid, oh, me go come on my yard, but as a bad man, you don't have braveness, you know, because music not like coward, you know.
If the music not like
no, if you're coward, you're not going to make it. That's why I'm there up to today. Because some man, I wonder, oh, me live on the gully bank, and I say, Gaza.
I don't only say Gaza. I play for Addy.
I play for Addy. And I left up on the gully bank and I got road. But you have to know if you do the groundwork. Because it's very tricky fight. Because any man can do what I do and live to the day, you know. Yeah. You see me, because we never switch out, I will never sell out. And Father God knows that we're on a journey, not a competition. And we not sell out for bend out. You see me?
We see your wife.
Yeah, man, so we have to hold our thing, man. My father himself have to acknowledge our present. One night time, nobody pan the gully now deal with me, you know. But me not beg no man nothing. Me I do me. Because me know what me all about and me know where me I go for. You see me I say? Me dey on a journey. How you think me could have get 21 songs from Cartel and come and play with Stone Love and enough of them big dancer boy? You think if me kick back and I watch people, it not gonna happen.
You have to go for.
Because too much rat never dig a good hole.
True that.
You see what I say? Yeah, and when me come to Boom and go Mount Zvada, there are some little man when me don't know put up them barrier.
Oh.
And me I say, me can't make the money when me don't know try style me. So means that you will take on myself. And me not take no styling. You see what I say? So me will go out there and still have fun and I do my one and I try do what me have to do. Because you see one thing with my father, big up my father, Aital. him always give us strength as a juvenile. Growing up, him no make we one shot or nothing.
Yes.
The latest and the dearest to have it or beat it as a juvenile. You see me? So me do what me feel like do. And me no wait for handout. You see me? If you wanna come for the interview, how it ever happen? You think me could have up me and talk about me and depend on people? No. Me have to go out there go fend for my own. It's a serious thing when you see me go out there.
I see me saying on the road and you have a t-shirt when you're deaf on.
Oh, you mean? So
Yeah,
we are
really
the life of the party.
I
You think
told you
Popcorn
that,
could have said, quick cook, oh the road look. I'm going to tell him change him here and forward. Quick. You think
so
a normal thing?
Papi. Egyptian with there though.
Yeah.
And the cartel vibes.
Yes, Egyptian is a real youth. And from there, so Jeff Riper said, quick cook, you miss days. Cartel said, we are power with him, say Egyptian. And you know, from there, so me and Egyptian start. Do the road. As a bad man told me that one day when Japanese come from Japan. Me never forgot that Japanese there. Akuda Matada, maximum sound. The man say more Movado. And the man give me about 2,000 US. Them time they want the Movado and busy signal. And the man give me the money. And so when him give me the money, as a youth from the gully, I go up the gully, go link the gully God and say, yo, me need to sing a song for me now, gully God. And him said, no problem, wait. I wait about 10 hours on the song because I'm over there hot at them time there, you know. Yeah, you have to wait 20 hours the next day when you go to him for all the song because remember money in him pocket.
Yeah,
and this year now him know say, nah, I'm going to a film one. And him say, all right, now go sing the song. Yeah, man, him sing the song, I'm come to boom and pay, man. And here come make about $60,000, man. Same day, man. I'm come to boom and go down a Red Hills Road, man. And go buy a greng, man. Yeah, man. 65,000, man.
Bike settings.
Yeah, bike settings immediately because I never have no ride. You see me, I want to ride. Remember, I used to walk go through there, you know. And walk go when I want to go, you know. You see me? And then I go buy the bike. And from buy the bike, I just pick up a speed. It not stop from there, so. From one bike to another bike.
Yeah.
You see what I say? Till my father have a bike one place like about 25 years, one thing in Katana. After that, I just go cut a key feet. And the man have me say, don't get no trouble, and my father own it, you know. Where I tell me say, him just wake up and I see it. From there, so me in the street, I mash up the place, no license, no panic. Me just put on the license plate. Me and Egyptian panic. And one time Egyptian run down now, no care nothing at all, like bike him off the depend. And me have him in the streets. And them time the girl more hold in the fine it. No, me and him fine because he's an energetic youth, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, man, me's a real energy. From go around Egyptian, man, I hit song, man. Because we are youth, you know. If me a power with you, you know, me a give you strength, you know. Don't feel like, say, me add to your career. Me stop with me, I don't add to your career. Because from you do music, actually, my spirit I go take you.
Yeah.
Literally speaking, with my father say a couple things, I come up in the pipeline. But he get an underground hit for Russian, you know.
So you say, Ron Egyptian and now one, the song them start rolling.
Yeah, man, Ron Egyptian. Because here with me, you know, as a youth from the ghetto. So me a party as an artist, I have to get a strength from me. So watch this now, Egyptian come in place. So when me and Egyptian start, I know him have a super talent when the normal. Because I remember I find serious time and beautiful lady and couple little things. So I say, no, you see that youth here? From here, do the right thing, him have to hit. And I come to boom, me used to go Andrew Blacks them, go Russian them, go TJ them, and couple of the else producer go look rhythm for Egyptian.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So back in the days, I go up the one named Russian. Him for give me some strength, you know, because I DM him from one day and him go like him no want to take no call. Russian, about a ramp with my glory, you know. Remember, I give a hit song boy from Egyptian, you know. And me come for the rhythm, you know. And say Vice Egyptian, you know. 37 million, you know. And me a link, you know, you know, link up, you know. Remember, Shandy's a song, Hello Bad Mind. Remember, me first bring them to come around, you know. Oh, you mean? We don't want a straight fans around, you know. We first come them there. Because we used to do promotion, you know.
In our street.
In our street, you know. So now, when the song them voice and TJ them voice, and we are come a road, come put them out. And we are go up a Russian and I take the song them and I say, Russian, this I go bust, you know. Come. When them voice, we are cry them a road, go promote them. No joke, no, in the thing. And I see me reach out to him, you know, you're not link Russian. You forgot where you come from, Dada. Remember quick cooking, you know. I mean, not hold back nothing. You have to link. Rhythm, I ask you for. Looking at your DM, Mr. Russian, send me rhythm. Yeah, do what you wanna, do what you choose. Money for you sitting girl you can't lose. Do what you queen to get me confused. Me rather go Poly Royal, go watch blues. Me like how that girl there shake it. She make me stand up right now upon me toe tip. And she like lollipop that me notice. The way she touch it when me pop out a rope twist. Do what you feel like, girl. If it make you feel alright. And you feel wine for me. Hear me no man.
Why we up at the Egyptian thing?
Yeah.
They say, so Sean Dizzy sang them. You carry them go road.
So me carry them go road, man.
Hello, bad mind and
Yeah, man, we
strange
don't want no
face
strange
and
face,
them
man.
tune there.
Yeah, man, we cry them go road and Egyptian song, girl, more hold you. And me and him up at Prince Hill when him find a song there. Yeah. Me and him there Prince Hill, I will have vibes and him a vibes it, you know. We add to the game and the energy it up, you know. Yeah, man. And we sing it to Spragga, man, and Spragga no come back with his song. Him never want to pay the studio time, 15 bills. And you know Egyptian is a madman,
You mean with Spragga?
Spragga will find serious time for that song.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, the producer, the theme song, you know Egyptian sing, girl, me want hold you. And him get that song there and say him never like it.
Say never what?
Him not like the song. And Egyptian go back, go sing it back for FX.
Oh.
Yeah, and the song, It. Remember, I did with there, you know. Me never forgot, you know. And see a youth named Tessie back from Upper Exodus, you know. Say, Egyptian, want the song there on dub and Egyptian. I say, me nah no rhythm. Them time the song I tear down the whole of Trinidad and we there, so no.
You don't know? Oh.
Big song Egyptian come get in him career. Yeah, man, tour down the whole place, man, after that song, man.
Oh, yeah?
Place, man, go, yeah, man, Africa, Kenya, we have to big up Egyptian same way, you know. Baby Fast, Godfather, Egyptian.
So
Remember?
Egyptian and your son, Godfather.
Yeah, and you have to look out to Baby Fast, don't ramp with him. You never give him nothing yet, you know, from him born. Remember, yeah, I'm Godfather, Egyptian. Me I talk this publicly.
Yeah.
Yeah, bore hole in your ears make you do. Because me talk to you private, you go out like you there, you put it on the media. You bet Baby Fast bad. You are him Godfather. Yeah, because we go to Sugar Girl Beach, me and Egyptian, and so me meet him mother, you know. Yeah, and our friend like Egyptian, and me see the little nice, little young, you know, and pull up on it
circle.
as a bad man. Yeah, here comes Baby Fast in process, less than 3 minutes.
Less than 3.
Quick. So I have to respect Egyptian, because you don't do you first youth bad.
Bad.
As a father.
As a father. So girl more follow you.
Yeah.
Forward in and whole world, brother.
Yeah, man, a big song, man. And Nicki Minaj, me see, man. Come remix it, you know. And we have to give thanks to the work. Remember, you know, me never forgot, you know, me give Firelinks a song the one night to play, and Firelinks said, no, wrong song.
Yeah?
Yeah, give me to play, then the song na boss said, because me I campaign the song there.
Yeah.
And Links play it. And say, wrong song. When me look the song come boss. Remember something this way me know, you know.
Yeah.
And the man that tell me nothing. And the man that put no words in my mouth. It's when me see that music. Don't doubt a song.
Don't doubt a song.
Don't doubt a song. Yeah, man.
Don't
Because
doubt
we
a
used to
song.
up at the yard every day, me and Egyptian at the house, you know. And we watch BET and some international station. And him always say, quick cook. And this one depend, you know. Me I say, no worry yourself, daddy. Because daddy me call Egyptian, you know. Because if me a party you, me show you manners and me show you respect. You see me? Me now try to bridge your current and go like me and the bigger man. So me say, daddy, don't worry yourself, me done. You get there. I'm a witness the man come dominate the whole place. Yeah, man. It's rich out of music, man. The joke
It's
like
rich out of music.
Rich out of music. Boy, no rich Egyptian boy.
The boy rich Egyptian.
None
boy.
of them what you say. I tell you, you not too talk. You know, say I'm have the latest set of things.
So your Egyptian take on the road though and they're all over the place.
Yeah, man. All about Nairobi, Kenya, man. One time them capture me in Kenya, you know, for Egyptian, you know. I go through it, you know, so stay there.
What you mean they capture your
What you
Kenya?
mean? So one night we come to boom and Egyptian for work at Kenya. And I go on like him now and come out because rain fall. So the show end up, change and go in a bamboo venue. But through rainfall, him not in bed asleep because you know Africa that him get well comfortable mama lad. Him not even remember the show. So you know say me down in a club I play you now. I saw me know say cartel powerful, you know. Me I tell you about 10 years ago, you know. Me in a club and hear them and say, Gaza! And the promoter will bring me come there. The road man, him a tell me, say the people them are getting mad in the club. And me no know, say the people them are get frustrated and mad because they want to see Egyptian. And me they play and I know what I go on because they talk different type of African speech and me no understand. But through him, understand them, him come to me and say, people them are getting mad. And me I say, a lie. That you say? So him said to me, say, we're going to squeeze you out here and pack up the laptop, your pouch, and we're going to leave out. Nice, no DJ no there, so oh we are gonna leave out. I said, brother, you're wicked, you know, what you set up here now.
Yeah.
I forgot left a CD I play and squeeze you out. So when me come, so boom, you know, left a song I play and get the laptop and him a lead me outside. They send me a lead out, about 4 thick man black me so, I'm big thick African man. And him a say, where are you going? I say, I'm going for Egyptian. I laugh, I say, me I go for Egyptian. Here, you cannot move. I say, I saw come and I try to board through the mingle. And the man I say, you can't move. And I say, don't put up my resistance quick. And I just say, okay. Promoter say, nah, get Egyptian. But you, anyway, I go me have a bird. I come say, boom, and go in my pocket. And go up on my bird. And say, yo, Jippy. The man them say, me can't left if you're not forward, you know. He must say, what you say? I say, the people, I say, me can't left. He, oh, you reach down there. So I say, oh, you mean how me reach down there? Then me are the DJ. You see when I check and stop? Me him say, I'm forward. two him forward in a place. The fastest we left out of one place named Mount Bessam. Remember, the promoter can mash up in.
Yeah?
You think a normal thing go on? Now ramp with the Africans, you know. This is a thing when I tell you what I experience in life, you know. Enough you no go through, boy, man. So I tell you, man, back you up a Kenya and say, oh, can't move. Yeah, man, remember me all poison, man. They all Kenya and eat up all the heap of vegetable, man, and poison, man. Reach in a hospital, man. Young Egyptian DJ, man, was poisoned after his first week in Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, we go through it, man.
Where else you go with Jeep?
We go whole heap of place, man. We go England, go collect the Moby Award. Yeah. The manager never rate me, you know. But you know we're smart than them, you know. Yeah. You don't want to see this, but we are talk. Remember, you know. And me say Egyptian to the world, you know. Our manager come in, you know. And I tell me can't go up on stage, you know. When Moby are collect, you know. What you know about girl more and hold you? You manager, what you know about this damager? Don't ramp with my career, dada. Now do that something there. Acknowledge you present. Because we are champion, boy. How you mean? I tell me, so I can't go up on stage. Yes, when them look and plant me right here, so some reach on stage, you know, big Moby Award, I wave my hand in the ear, you know. So how you for tell me, you know? And I mean, say, girl, more and hold you. Them can't trick me, boy.
Marty.
How you mean?
It was, you said that there, I think in 2012, there was that incident where you're there. Well, I think Uptown Mondays are there dance and they're part of a stage.
No. And Uptown Mondays is a place named, when you go Garden Town and go
way up so dead mad.
Yeah, way up in the bush, man, you go Garden Town, guy. You know, we're family at them places. But watch this, we get booked, me and Firelinks.
Okay. Oh, yeah, did still a play them time there?
No, I end up a par around Firelinks literally.
Oh, yeah, they're par with links?
Yeah, as a slang scenario, you know.
Okay,
things transform,
okay,
below the DJ thing and still a boom bang, but links did adapt me as a species, because links call me the team bully.
The team bully.
Remember, you know, no care who I play, you know, from walking, you know. Energy me give Firelinks, you know. You for play now, me I tell you, say you can't play. And Firelinks have to play.
Yeah.
And the energy, there's a links call me team bully. And we have energy when he play, me drive energy in him. When me say them something, the Firelinks get mad. And no man can take the mic from Firelinks and me alone.
Yeah.
So watch this. A girl called me on my phone and said she want Firelinks. Firelinks charge $500,000, you know. If you go up at one place, stream no one go, you know. I know say the promoter they pay him. Yeah, him check you who you up in a one place. Links are try to turn down the date and you know say him are the people them selector. Them love him. So you know so you go up there. Me, Tifa and Junior Kelly. And me I tell you, you know, and me I say, what you are going? Firelinks are burn down the place and you see me I say, them say stage show time, you know, and I say, watch this. Oh, me I go get involved in this, you know, because Quick Cook, this Jamaica most famous, you know. If a hot water, me have to in it. You see what me I say? And me say, watch you know, Tifa dey on stage, you know. And me just walk out there because me I say, yo, the Japanese are going excited. So me now have to go draw for the drops. Remember them time the Japanese, any man can. Them hot. And now them get a little bit played out. Because them get nothing in the system.
Yeah, but they're nothing true.
Back in the days when the Japanese come out and you see a history. See, you know, say me come to boom and attack the Japanese. Me never know say the Japanese are gonna try a stunt for me, you know, cause me just go there as a normal man and feel say normal a lie. See, you know, say, when me watch back the reflection, Japanese try a stunt. Up me with a foot and come, so. That me never know say I saw the stage and they say me Japan gonna feel for stage. The stage today, the mercy of God make me there today, you know. So my neck no could have broke.
Yeah.
Remember about 7, 8, 9, 10 feet me I come from in the air, you know. When me drop a ground, you know, I can't believe, you know, my phone fly out and my pocket and my glass off of my face. If you watch back that, you see the reflection, you know. But you me know how to play it off as a bad man. You know, how to play it off back, man.
Yeah, what?
You know, MTV.
Right, that means no. So
ridiculous.
MTV took it and they put it on ridiculousness.
Yeah, it put it up.
I mean, I know something you don't really want to go for MTV for.
No.
But the world see your face, brother.
But the world see my face. And when me watch it at the longest clippings, our MTV ridiculousness.
Yeah.
Big
But
up
hope you
on
want to
yourself.
reach MTV one time for something
No, we are going to reach
different
it, you know,
and more
we have
positive.
some
You know what I
powerful
mean?
work a come out, you know.
We get road to that, you know. So, you're Egyptian, you say you're Egyptian, they are road, you know. But eventually, you know, you start with the slang thing, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Are you slang before Egyptian time?
No, you what? Me a slang same way the Egyptian, you know. You see me? And I do my thing same me. But watch this now. When me a part around Egyptian, me a play sound and I play them tracks them. And when me start DJ, you know, jealousy coming out, you know. Yeah, jealousy coming out. The manager start tell me, say me a DJ now, so me have to do my own thing. And them start watch me dress code, you know. And I say me a dress too much.
Yeah.
And when me there in Europe, I watch me dress code. I don't know if Egyptian or who I say, but the management I say, oh, me I go and like more out just the artist. One bag of shop talk. For no reason. You see me? Man I say me I do music, so me have to do my thing, but apart when the artist and see the next artist I do it, you supposed to glad for him, for help push me. But them never glad to see that. You see what me I say? As a bad man. Because only the glad to see it, wouldn't push me out. And make me have to go up on my own. You see me? Them force me to go up on my own when if you see quick cook do good, you should acknowledge him present and say, come, teamwork make the dream work. That's why I have to respect Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Because I see him add up a whole heap of artists and send them to the world. And at the time, Egyptian alone apart. And when I start the music, manager tell me, say, yo, you do music, you know, so do what you have to do, you know. And I say, oh, things start cut, the money start run. So me just decide, say, I have to just go out there, go test the water, you know.
Okay.
For my own, you know.
Okay. Why did you decide, though, to make a transition there from being a selector to now becoming a DJ, though?
How comes the same Egyptian, make the transmission? Remember, you know, me I go up on tour with Egyptian, you know, as a DJ, you know. And him in bed and me start go do sound check.
Oh, I see the pre.
Yeah. So by I go out there, I do the sound check, you know. I saw me get to love. The music part, me start gravitate to it. And go voice and song say, we no like nasty people for Russian. In a certain things get no youth in vehicle. We no like nasty people, nasty people. When I voice it, they must say them no like that song then. But I just saw music stay, music have jealousy in it, you know. You see me? And if you are crying me out there, and I say go open the show, what you expect me to do? I groove me, you know, say I groove me as an artist, you know. So if me get the platform me for work it, me no must transform. And from this, so, when me go do a sound check for Egyptian, you know, him know it well check, you know. More time I have to look for me and say, come out of my song, are you sing them? Because when me and him dep on tour, I sing come like I 45, you know, because I know Egyptian song from start to finish, word for word. Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Sweden, the whole of them places, Trinidad.
Yeah.
And me I cry, all harmony.
Oh, you used to carry harmony for Egyptian
Yeah,
now?
man, a backup
so
singer, man.
You move from mixing him to...
All when me a mix, me still have a mic in my hand.
It's like a harmony.
Yeah, because I'm multi-talented that way there, you know.
But it's important and I think that's
So,
one.
you know, well important to the thing, God. Remember, me I play the tracks them, you know. And the track show them, you know. When me come to Boom and Egyptian get the super break now, me hear the management, them a tell me, say, tour time come in with Nas. I hear them say, me can't come on the tour. Oh, me can't come on the tour. Big Nas tour. When me check a sat, them say, one company order DJ to come play. Una go bench the DJ who come from the ground. And when time for the on top, you know, una elbow the DJ. Like you want to give him towel fall in him hand. Them thing then right. So from this, bad treatment. Cause no art, no selector no forget my position. And me fight with this. Make only can acknowledge the president. And me your manager tell me say the company they send that DJ they on the road. No, we not call the company name. You know them have powers. You see it?
Yeah, man.
So we have to know where
That's the right thing that man.
You see it?
Yeah.
And when I check a soccer man, I bench me. When I go to the show, a new DJ we know from Adams. And remember, them people I love the hardcore Jamaican vibes. You can't trick me and tell me that. Who does not like to see the growth and what going to happen. Them get scared. Yeah. Tell me, I tell you.
So you go up on your own?
So I have to go up on my own. So you think I go up on my own? And go around a couple more artists and it out there do it. As some reach start party a couple more artists, you know, because we as a youth artists always gravitate to our energy, you know.
Your vibes, man.
You see me, I think that's a papi good call me in a process of time. You see me, I say, because we used to say, go up a shocking vibes, go cool out. You know, one organization, Cartel and YVP and Adesso. You see me? Cartel end up, you know, going incarceration and we did and papi say, quick, who come intro a song.
Oh, so papi actually initiated that?
Yeah. And say, quick, who come intro the song. I'm going to intro the song. Nobody not tell me what to say.
Nobody not tell you what to say?
No, me just going at the same as how I reason out for my headspace, you know. So I just go in the studio and say, oh, change your hand forward. Quick. Andrew Black set the voice.
Oh, you are what?
Andrew Black. Up at UIM. Him take the voice for party shot. And a history.
The quick cook or party look.
How a party look. And I mean first ride a CD they go in the street with 5 popcorn. Remember me promote. Me rather dead before me take a box DJ, popcorn at the orange man, fresh like water, me roll out. Clean, and party shot. Now me go a street with them songs.
You do the groundwork for them
me do the groundwork for them truck there. All like DJ them can tell you. And me have a bag for my back. And I ride down the street and I deliver CD at night time. Party start 1, 2 o'clock. Me gone out in the street from 10, 11 o'clock and me have to make you get the CD them from before. And mash up the road teach. And know say, yeah, this have a target. Because back in the days, you know, we have Passa, we have the Weddy, and we have the Uptown Monday and Footer Hype Gallus Wednesday. You see what I say? And couple look more inner city dance I go on at the community where I do the groundwork.
Cool, no, man.
You see it?
Party shot.
Yeah, man.
Come on, shot.
But a household anthem.
So you know, Quick Cook start make a next name now as a slang man.
Yeah. Gone to the world.
But not long after you and Papi have a look up, misunderstanding, fallout.
Yeah, just
what?
bad mind jealousy. Same way, because watch this now. Popcorn give me a strength in the music industry. And DeMarco come over on the beach and see me over there. Wish me never know him have something planned. And tell me, say, yo, what go on? The day and him come fight with me, because DeMarco is a tricky fire youth, you know. Yeah, he may have this, what him do, plan.
Oh.
Yeah, this is something where him literally, because him have it say Popcorn thief him style, we say, yo, because I remember him go say, yo, me laugh with them, I say, but I crawfish them. Song that play and gone about it way. So Popcorn come and say, yo, hear me no quick cook. Him have it say Papi thief it the yo. You know music, come on DeMarco. Remember me just the party shot with Popcorn in the video. DeMarco no do nothing more. Come over on the beach and him say where you go, me say where you go. Down a Bob Marley place, cause them used to keep a thing name after dinner on Sunday.
Oh.
Down a Bob Marley place.
After dinner, cool.
After dinner, loud on a Sunday. Rassarella and Dean them down there play. You see what I say? And him come down the sun, me and him DJ, mash up the place. You see, and we stop at Boulevard. I see him take out a camera. But me check say, I just vibe with my vibes. Choose a cameraman. Me nah even pay the song. No attention or no. Me just as a happy youth, as a joyful youth, a vibes. When me check a start, the man shoot a video and put out quick. So how it have a look teach? You see me just in a popcorn song and then you come drop this and put me in it. Give me all script and scene. Why you never stop it, boy, in the music, man?
Yeah.
And I see me a link up and baby fast with him now, the man, because you nah answer. But for unite, because unity is strength. You know, see me a DM, you not take no DM. Eh? For vice man the rhythm, and when you call me back in the days and say, talk your mind, come quick cook. We come on, make talk your mind nice. No, me, if I'm a little rich and quick cook and little youth name walk and talk, it can't nice without no way and fambo. And we are the life of talk your mind. And when me check a soccer man start, take away the vibration from it and turn it for yourself. And that mash it up, you know. You
So
see
Papi
me?
see the thing and frowns.
So Papi no must see it and frowns. Because if me a par around popcorn, you know, maybe I'm a popcorn soldier, you know. Because if Papi them not rate you, you know, them nah do nothing with you, you know. And Papi give me the highlight now and I say, quick cook, road. Because Papi did done say, quick cook. Me a shot your thing to the road, you know. Anytime I do the week, and not even popcorn. Me crash off of the bike, send popcorn a voice note and cartel, play the voice note and say, anytime me put this in a song, your boss. Same time the done come get trapped. And come like Papi member what cartel it say and just say, no, the youth them have the energy, you know, and make me enjoy the song. And Demarco, no, come, see the glory and see the energy, and I try obstruct the song. Because the song create overlook, you know. Not never big like party shot, you know.
A big tune, man.
So the hear me no quick cook a bother him. He ma beard it a bother him, it a sleep it a bother him. He ma vice it a bother him. Till him the same have to come fling a stone. And distract my career for my future going. And from there so popcorn call me never forgot. And TJ called me and say, yo, what you doing in that video there? And I say, which video? I mean, so what you mean which video? Now the Marco video, you send me go watch the video, and me that I come out of Bima. Man, them set me up and I don't know for my friend, them kill me. I push him and them push me out, you know. Say me an informer, you know. Call me a par around man where I try style them and gone in a video which me don't know nothing about this, you know. So me just show you mankind, evilous. You own a black brother where you apart now and see you win. And me don't have nothing. So I just show you the man, they must say, quick cook, no value nothing. You have to live and make others live. Because you do it and you don't get nothing out of it. I just show you. More than you distract my future.
That's slow down your thing.
So it no must slow down my thing. Papi start pre me, TJ start pre me.
Papi now go up and say, quick cook have a fish look on it.
No, watch this. I done a Powell show. The same school after champs. Him go down at the place and you know me there in a show.
Oh, you were in there?
So how you mean that me there in a show? And Boom Boom I tell me, say, yo, Papi just say, yeah, me no fish cook. And me say, no, I lie. But you know, Boom Boom is clean. Him hear everything and him tell me, and I say, I lie, Papi no say so. You say, me go watch back the video. About 4 minutes or 1 minute and some second or 20, me never forgot, me go watch back it. Me and the man say, yeah, me no fish cook. Tell me how the thing looks. So that's how me and him jump off.
Right.
And me I say, oh, you call a man fish and me just do a song. But Papi just take things out of control. You see me? And me I try to explain to him as a bad man for show him, say, Papi, this and this go on, but in them moment and them hype and them temperature, them not take no talk. Because them I say, yo, watch it, man.
Elbow settings.
Elbow settings. So it's a push out start going there, so. Because a distraction with me and the youth, when me and him have a super strength. You see me? Can I reach out back to him from what and say, Papi, make me go at it again and inch back to his song and get back a energy. And maybe him say nothing, you know. But he's a man, let me will text him and him feel like text back, he will text back.
But you and Papi, they're a better place, you know. At a better place.
You know, tell you, say me and him good teacher. I just
Nice,
musical
brother,
energy,
you see me,
you know.
I'm show you a thing with me. Me, a unity my thing, you know. So you see, if it's up to me,
Yeah.
I mean, look a few and thing in the music kind of push it thing, you know. But if it's up to me, enough things, brother, I
try to avoid it.
You understand?
You know?
That I mean.
All of them distraction where you say go under the music. I know me. Me no like trouble. Me no like problem. Me's a love with the youth, you know. Me have love in my heart. But them try to bring down judgment for me. And you have to defend yourself. And me couldn't stand up and make popcorn, fish up my thing. And literally know say no switching in my thing, no fish in my thing. It's a journey in my musical career. You see what I say?
Yeah, so Marco.
Me and Marco, good enough. You see me?
Yeah, Marco about 2 songs, brother.
No, you see me and Marco have 2 songs, but Marco still have a corruption in him, the Marco, you know. Remember me round there, you know, teach. I mean, know why you cut out this, you know. Don't cut it out. Them things I have to talk them things, dog.
Yeah.
Round there, and the Marco send a youth on a bike to tell me and she know if left out of his through the yard. And them things enough to reach way. Remember, we used to talk your mind in the Marco. I mean, I have 2 songs, Watch Your Lean, you know.
Watch Your Lean.
You see me? And one another song, oh, you get Watch Your Lean. Remember, I slang your ear and come sing about it, you know. I mean, Liquid it done have a song named Watch Your Lean, you know. And the man still come sing a song named Watch Your Lean, you know. And put me in it, and I still give him the strength, you know. Which me they done have a song named Bread. Have a new style when me call it Bread. People are laugh when they me about bread. World boss, they are prison, I say them a wet bread. Boom boom, tell them what they feel about bread. Who broke in at the factory a try thief bread. Don't go think them get it just a mangoose bread. And the chorus we have Liquid a sing. Watch your lean, and who a govern the ground, now what him. And we have the song there, you know, and the man can still come back with a faster rhythm.
Yeah.
Watch your lean, 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 watch your lean. And watch this now. Remember my song? Now my song, my slang, and my talk, Billy lyrics, you know. My slang, my talk. Me not laugh with them, dog. Some of them artists are wise and give some youth some real strength, boy. When me say the man can tell a man to tell me if he left out of the yard and she know come bust. And find big song, boy, quick. Less than 3 minutes. How you fi do that? Can't do them things that the man can, dog. We love you, see you, man, respect you, and we make bygones with bygones. But me never forgot what you do. You see what I say? I mean, I taught them things, dog. Because anything within my heart have to come out, you know. Some way, somehow. Teach them, beat them.
In all of this, though, bro, you were still a presence in the thing. You were working when you do Bread, you do that with Ellie.
Yeah, me do a intro with Ellie. Me, Boom Boom and Elephant.
Right.
Yeah, Cherry.
You have, I think, Get a Christmas or Share.
Yeah.
We share
Get a
with
Christmas.
Ding Dong and Bugle.
Get a Christmas. Me, Ding Dong.
Yeah. Zine and Bugle have another song.
Another song again. Big up Bugle, him just vice for the money at the target with him.
Yeah, and Bugle, the song with you and Bugle upon Riverstone.
Yeah. Riverstone.
Yeah. Assassin.
Me Assassin. Riverstone.
Riverstone again.
Riverstone fling and bust them head.
Yeah. Conscience.
Yeah, party turn up loud. Done. Stop. Go to the bar. Go look a girl. Party turn up loud.
Yeah, and Charlie Blacks. Welding.
Whop.
And all of them tunes are in the 2011, 2012 time, brother.
So Skilly Bang at half a whop there. Remember me and Charlie Blacks were about 9 years ago. When we go whop, welding, whop. Yeah. New version,
So
Skilly got hit with it.
all of them look up appearances there. 'Cause I don't know if you call them collaborations.
Yeah.
I mean, like Get a Christmas, and Get a Christmas rhythm, you actually have a verse in that. See?
Yeah.
But many of the other songs is
It's
more
just
of an intro.
intro.
We talk about the Charlie Blacks and the Bugle and Assassin and
Yeah,
the
man,
work.
Elephant,
See,
man.
Conscience and
Yeah.
Ellie and them something there. You were now slowly becoming a bona fide recording artist for your own, brother.
Yeah, from the clashing with me and Popcorn, that's when I start transform and say I have to go take this serious, you know. Yeah, man, and Papi forced me to voice a song called Bad Mind No Want to See Me Rise. One day me I go give them a surprise. Quick Cook gonna break through one day. This a inner city anthem. Them no bad, them only bad mind. Me no trouble here, once and no trouble mind. No, I sit in and use your brain. Nobody cry about you to down the lane. I am determined, searching for my goal. I am determined, not change my role. Cause me no acknowledge you or discriminate. Me act like them love me when me know that them hate me. Teach them, bad mind no want. From this up. Cause me have to go at it, you know. Cause remember in a them time there, you know, Papi a hot artist, you know. And people a say, Quick Cook. You see me? Yeah, them not acknowledge me present as an artist, but me a fight feet. So when me there today, we not stop fight. And there's some fights that first believing song that I know say, yeah, me transform, going in my vocal.
Self-belief.
Yeah, that song that give me self-belief. Crying bass.
More tune come tune or like, no ID.
Yeah, man a VIP. That a for a youth named Ajan, up a Russian, It City. Yo,
That song they do some work in our road, brother.
Oh, yeah, say, man. Big up
Nice
Flipper
little party
Mafia.
vibe.
Can you have a couple movie stars, you know, Flipper Mafia in it, and where the rapper the name of their Florida, Johnny away more name, that little brother there. Him in a third world cup, one of them there. That brother there. Yeah, man. No ID, man a VIP, fresh in a Chris color tees. Once a day, pop party. Me a reach quick less than 3 teach. Roll in all eyes and quick cooking. Girl them see me and rush me, you know. For the whole of the night, me a drink as me like apple vodka junk me, you know. Quick. Daylight before me in my bed. Teach big song a play so the vibes can dead. Yeah, wind up feet, girl, wind up feet. River Stone I go bust them head. Them time we have the hottest set attack them. River Stone, fling a stone. If they made the bus, we give them a bigger stone. Cause we always have slang. Remember me have one of the hottest slang now, you know, as a bad man.
As a bad man.
So war on the ground. So a bounty killer come sing songs as a bad man, yeah. And me have the hot topic.
Like when you come slang, we ain't ready for that yet, so I could just dig out that first. From quick.
Yeah.
Zane, you start out as Moschino. Or you come by the Moschino name?
Watch this now. How me come by the name Moschino, you know. I have to respect my father, because my father, they are foreign, and I said, be a Moschino come give me. When me get the clothes them from foreign, you know. A beer Moschino, Moshunan, Versace, right up. My father wants to see me look good. Cause me, nobody around with him. And me, I'm star up to today. When me go in I dance, I'm 3 times I have to change in a teach.
3 times?
3 times I change back in ideas.
Yeah.
The boy not do this when I do boy, you know.
Daddy used to gear the wears and the gears.
Yeah, man, daddy, man.
So the name come from the clothes?
I saw the name come from the clothes, because my father started saying, be a Moschino come give me. Yeah, man.
So then now the name changed from Moschino to Quick Cook.
Yeah.
How that change come
about? That's when I start around Papi and now I find the slang. Quick. So I saw you see the Quick Cook Adam on it.
Mad thing.
Yeah.
And that stick.
Can't move bounty killer, say we change the name and take off the cook. Either my name quick, never stick. You see me? Boom, say a world quick. Yeah, but you don't know, you see the brand Quick Cook, it's hard to remove, you know, because remember we done a produce song and we have a name out there, so we don't want to distract the thing. So we kind of hold the composure and make the thing go and track the same way and just add to it. You know?
I'm going to bring you back from Moschino to Quick Cook because Quick was really and truly probably the first slang that really take root in our street.
Yeah, man, the
then
first
River Stone, bust them head.
Bust them head.
Then
bread? Then bread give you a good impact. Bust around the mark and the marker get scared.
Always have slang, go to prang.
Yeah, remember we have prang, man. Prang, we have prang them. You see me?
As a bad man, you think
yeah,
there.
As a bad man.
As a bad man.
We'd have WAP.
WAP, right.
When Skilly Ben come say WAP, remember me have, look, every type in Quick Cook mixtape. A WAP it name built by DJ Kenny 9 years ago. WAP. Whopping stirs the name of a we. Oh, you mean? So now we have fire links apart and me I say, whoop. Let me tell you that I go on. Yeah, 9 years ago we say whoop, boy.
Yeah. Cool, man. We'll go back to the music part of it together. Because as I say, down the years, you slowly became a recording artist.
Yeah,
and we mentioned some of the songs that you appear upon. And we start talking about some of the songs that you do, like No Idea and them tune that start come through.
Yeah.
Come through.
We have like One Day. No ID. And we have a song called Nah Lose My Focus.
Nah Lose My Focus. I recently come across a tune there. Powerful tune. Alright, so Nah Lose My Focus, Pressures of Life.
Yeah.
One day. Powerful songs, brother.
Yeah, when them happy in a life, we're glad for them. We never yet wish bad for them. Them not real. All me know, say, Nah Lose My Focus is a big song, you know. Massacre keep him birthday party, you know. And when me look, Corey-Tad comes and say, come up, come me the front of the stage. Massacre look at me and say, yo, you have to go sing that song there, you know. And me say, whose song? Nah Lose My Focus. Tell them my riches, me say, and no gun, me say. Nah broke me focus. Tell them my money, me say, and no nothing funny, me say. Nah, broke me focus all when them come with argument, me put up my defense. Nah, broke me focus. Although time hard, man, still I praise God. Nah, broke me focus. No boy can't trick me, figure fire shot. And me responsive, put on mommy pot. Me go old baby fast if you go for that. Cause I have a peace sport, more said that one you shot. What? Me no listen when the priest chat. Me still a build the big house on the hilltop. Man top parent and a bill back. Cause me tired of the board with the zinc top. Tell them how riches me say. And no gun me say teach them nah broke me focus. When Massacre say me if go sing that my events comes on. Pew! Me never know say Massacre analyze me them serious way there. The man say yo.
A big
And
tune,
me
brother.
song. So me no say Josh here sing. My style them fresh what day. Because I go up on my mother party go sing and me have the video can show you. Josh me here sing. When me go so, my style them fresh. And Stanley said Josh here cry the ablips. I said no, the youth them a listen to me. Here's what me say. So you like me now, me just need the youth them in the street. Me I get some super love, you know, so me don't know why problem, you know.
Can me ever ask that to the brother? We don't
You see me?
ask it, but
Me don't know
say,
why the
What the
problem?
problem? Because conscious, as I said, now lose my focus. So I say, a
Yeah.
conscious, positive song.
Positive
See?
song.
Pressures of life.
Yeah.
Big song.
Big
conscious
song.
again.
Yeah, man.
You understand what I mean? I say, songs like Determined.
Yeah, man.
Zane, Feel Me Pain.
Yeah, man.
All of them tune there are
Justice.
conscious. But why hold back quick?
But I not even know why I hold back quick cooking or literally speaking. Come like, you see the people them star. I tell you that. Cha-cha. I just mankind here, dada.
Say mankind, unkind.
Yeah, mankind, fully unkind. So we have to just go and do the right thing, same way. And
Go and
push
do the thing,
forward,
brother, man.
I just time in the
Because
teach
you see, you
me.
never know, say Massacre listen to the tune.
Massacre, listen to
Yeah,
the
and you never know, say Joshua, they know the tune.
know the song.
Yeah,
You
sir.
see me I say? It's serious. Yeah,
Precious
man.
of Life. Big a couple bars out of that tune there.
That song there is a very serious song, you know. Yeah, man. Poor people help. Too much guns span the street, dog. And it's troubling, troubling. Them say the crime rate nah drop. Yo, teach them quick. Enough time star. Pressures of life get so hard. No for me friend them lay down in a jail. No for me friend get toe tag. To all the street side dirty dog. Fear for me son and me daughter. If anybody put them on pan them, I just rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Yo, teach them. Enough badness are just defense. Them can't take high for weak fence. To kill a man is no achievement. Even some serious killers move distant. Some youths never get nothing but stealing a them man. Never see no book or no pen. And some of them don't know when a them birthday. So me know them don't know where life worth. Yeah, teach them enough time star. Pressures of life. That song you want serious song in you. See how the second
Powerful,
verse.
brother.
Terrible. Listen to the second verse. Yo, teach them. And if a nice thing go and feel, share with the hungry now. You know much man get a deal and fly out and come back and go and like them no remember you. But then we send down a long mouth chatty tell you when you're hungry go and go rob somebody. Them never live to see the queen pan the paper. Never want to have no problems with me neighbor. Teach them enough time. Yeah man, serious song man. Serious song. That song there, them no really acknowledge them song here in a Jamaica, you know. Them acknowledge the song them. Afraid disrupt the system and them same one I go complain.
True that.
Cause me do
True
video,
that, bro.
Remember me do that me video that song
Pressures
in
of
New
Life.
York, you know.
Right.
Pressures of Life. And me video it in New York. Me say, Jesus Christ, that song is too pretty. Me have to come back a yard, come scrap it and video it over back.
Oh.
Cause what me I look for, me not see it. So me have to come back in a Newland over here, so in a Portmore and up with Norman Manley School, up there, so I will capture some piece of clippings and get back piece of the Jamaican look and down a town here. So me I say, yeah man, grab back piece of my roots and my culture in it. Cause that song there, powerful song dog. So me don't know what go on dog. It get radio play, but me don't feel like it get the sentimental explanation justice. Wait, forget.
You don't get to be true, man. A
Yes,
big
what me I
song,
say.
brother. A powerful tune for
And-
true, man.
Me I look for the DJs them look forward and give me some more justice in my career. Cause we are singing song for uplift the youth.
True
them.
that. I mean, tell you, say, one day, brother, now losing focus,
Yeah.
pressures of life, determined.
Even world
the whole of
crisis.
them, world
we drop-
crisis.
Uncle Michael Jackson alone could have competed with that song there. People going to look for a song called World Crisis.
Yeah.
What me do for COVID? Only Michael Jackson and nobody no catch me. I mean, I hear the song they get no justice, boy. Yeah. See the man them
Introduce
look
the people them to his song.
Yeah, me want them go look for it. World Crisis, big up Terror and the singer there. Me just, in a desperate of the whole COVID, me there in my house and say, you know what I go on, me I talk to an empress of England and she say, you need to do a song for what's going on. And I come to boom and call up a youth. And when I call him for the rhythm, him get distracted and tell me, say, him not on the time. And I call another youth and tell him my problem and him send me a rhythm. Here comes World Crisis. You see what I say? Some of the people them go type in Quick Cook featuring Terran, World Crisis, powerful song. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And before me forget, cause you see sometimes the song them might not get no love a yard or the song them big run at some place. You know? All of the music quick can be found on the digital play stores, the
man,
iTunes and Spotify and them places.
Man. Yeah, man, because them fully distributed, you know. Because me have a song we got, I think, a 13, a song on the Virgin chart, produced by Good Records, a song called Back on the Floor.
Back on the Floor.
Yeah, me and Creech intro it for me. You know, them think they dance on Nancy Rock still a poor. Every dancer back on the floor. Creech a roll out, thump the sky some more. Say the happeners back on the floor. Ding a press gas to him foot them sore. Say the happeners back on the floor. Plotting nice circle round a brick jam zoom with a dozen brown in and say pick one. Him get confused, him don't know which one. Girl call me, only call me the beast pitch pan Jamaica most famous. Cut it, teach them.
Mad. In recent times though,
yeah,
the song where really and truly I get some traction on the road. Money at the target.
Big song, man, because we have get counting same way, you know. We have to big up FY record, because it starts from there, so we now lock out them youth, they call them youth, they come spend a piece of food, you know, the things, so respect Joe, FY, come produce a sing called Get Counting. We no count thousand a million more. Tune is about than it a rocky dance tour. The artist say at him have to travel pan tour. How much be my roll out quick more than, and let me lift up me tool me and knock it like door. But rich badness enough for them a live poor. One mount of blood pan floor. One mount of, hear me a natural image a long time. We know say them fear man. Big up the thugs them New York here man. But people we no power with, hear me man, teach them.
Mad.
So FY record, big up yourself, natural image featuring Quick Cook, good look.
Me I go say a look at you now still, and this is just observation from no ID to what we there now.
Yeah.
The man is maturing vocally as a DJ, brother.
Yeah, because doing it every day, you know. Actually, I go mature, you know, and advance by your craft, you know. Because none of them nobody like me. I
hear the maturity in your voice, brother. I hear the progress and the growth in the music.
I just the BBC what they are. And when Shawnee B see me run out, hear the man, Jesus Christ, how Scatter Burrell no book every Sunfest yet.
Yeah?
Scatter you need to book the artist. Remember, I'm going to go check Scatter what they are. I mean, I know if him inside, I see two people exiting at the studio. I say, tell Scatter say me outside. Them not come back out. Because remember, I'm determined to search my goal, you know. And I not change my role.
Yes, I'm going to go look it, man.
So I never go look it. I'm determined go out there go look it, you know. I mean, I say, I not get no observation. I do out there wait. One good length of time, and baby fast and crime boss, so I just jump back in my car and the security say, Scatter in the studio. So I don't know what go on. So I say teach him.
It's not too late, man. So
it's not too late, so I just tell you. I'm out here, you know. I knock on the door, you know. You see what I say? So I open the doors, them. Quick Cook is here.
So money at the target now, they're on your label?
Yeah, man.
Brother Organization.
Brother Organization. Because we have the label, you know. We even put out an EP over there with 15 songs. I wonder how I do it. A 15 songs we put out on the EP there. And the EP is called Pressures of Life. You see what I say?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Baby Fast put out an EP over there for me, man.
Where's the Baby Fast put out the EP?
Yeah, man, Brother Organization. Because film name them on the thing them in the
right.
Because, you know, him and my
one for the son. People, right, I'm glad you said that. I'm just saying people them know, say.
Yeah, I'm a little youth, you know. What they hear them, it's say one little girl, but me do the DNA and the DNA come punch I say on my one. But much love, same way.
Take your help her, man.
Help her, same way, man. You know, love goes out.
If your name call me and say she couldn't be yours, you know what I mean?
Yeah, she a big girl, you know, that she even know. And what they go up a Whoop Road and do the right thing, you know. Yeah. You know, me that make a little distraction and try move them and put in some paperwork and say, so we have to try to get this thing because we don't want to move and then when we come so an obstacle. So me take my piece of food and go do the right thing. But the result come out puncher. But we still love her and you know, we still make a try.
Yeah, man. That's respect that, brother.
Yeah, man. I love your little girl. Big up
so bread organization now, a year thing, brother. So you are now not only
artist.
a slang dan, a DJ, a selector, but you're also now a producer.
Yeah, Baby Fast are the producer still.
You know you have to say that shit, I really you.
Me just the CEO and the artist.
Yeah, the CEO and the artist.
See me, but literally speaking, Baby Fast. If you notice, you see him name come first / brother organization.
Right.
You see me call him. You see we have to teach them, as what you say. Because a child shall lead the way and children live what they've learned. So you see me, I grew up here now. Him have to come see what me I deal with. Me don't know if him gonna like it or him gonna love it, but this I want.
You know, push upon him, but you facilitate and see where
man.
I'm gonna take the time off to say this to brother, because I have learned that you are a single father as it relates to Baby Fast.
Yeah, man, me there
you
with
take the time out if you do the right thing with the youth, the right
thing.
Respect that brother, in a real life.
I have to drop him at school.
Pick him up.
That's
why we're there after the interview now, because you said you have to pick him up at
5 o'clock. Because him reach 9:30, because you know him have to do the extra lesson.
Right.
And then school start 12 o'clock. And me make him do extra lesson, you know, because I don't run secretary joke, you know. When me no get, him have to get
it, brother.
So him teach me right now.
Yeah.
Remember him do something on the phone, I want something to read and me I read slow. Me just say, Baby Fast, yeah. He say, yes, daddy, when I come I run through it.
Yeah.
Remember him show me something, I said, Daddy,
and
tell him, say, leave the paper alone.
Leave the paper alone, brother.
I'm very bright and polite.
Yeah, man.
Remember I'm a prefect. And for a single father where they are going to hold it. Me ask him at daytime, you get homework, and I give him look at 15 minutes at a free time for run up and down. Then he have to come give me an extra hour in a house, read 2 books and, you know.
I respect that, like brother, in a real life, man.
Yeah.
Respect that, bro, man.
Remember, I just cook him dumpling and chicken for him, you know, because I'm like curry, you know.
Yeah.
So if I don't cook at daytime, it don't make no sense. And me try to cook every day with him. That's why I name Quick Cook.
Quick Cook.
Remember, you know, me have a Frisco kid idea. I left out about 1:30. I come down, do look at house cleaning. Yeah, see me talk the fridge in the morning, wipe it out. By the time you're there on your way, I come here and cooking and I say, teach you on him way, you know, watch a multitask here. Yeah, me have to get counting.
I respect that, bro, in a real life. As a father, you can see that I know the difficulties of parenting, brother. I can respect that, brother.
And it's not hard to do, you know. I do some man does no do it. Because them feel like, say, as a mother, she have to do everything. But we love Baby Fast mother and respect her. She have to do what she have to do. So we not beat her.
You just do what you have to do, brother.
We have to do what we have to do. Literally speaking, we there as a father and we have to just maintain what we have to do. You see what I say? Because life goes on.
And Baby Fast are the only youth?
Yeah, man, I'm the only one, man.
Only that's why you said the result come back punch out there.
Yeah, what do you with the little girl, man? You see what I say? I have another little girl, but I know my one. She have a slight, remember. She look like Scatter Borrell. So
that's why Scatter head for you.
Me don't know.
Scatter big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, because look on the little girl, but she tall. I know say her mother used to run Scatter, you know. Back in the days around there, so, you know. I say, see that little girl that she have a Scatter foot, you know. She do gymnastics, you know. She don't look like a Quick Cook, you know.
She look like a Scatter.
She look like a Scatter.
You know, easy,
me just say, you know.
You just say. We see what you say, man. So we could talk about the bread organization thing, you know. So money at the target is, as I say, based on my observation, is a track where I get some traction in the street.
Yeah, man, whole heap of love and support, man. You see me?
Like a boom boom clips them where him actually push the
power that song there. Man, no boom boom that time I got that, you know. One boom boom in and a well boom in the more time, me and him got it at night time. Because my ball from what he tell me say, him can play the song tonight and then play tomorrow. Him the jukebox arrive. I say, but me I tell you something boom boom. If we never there foreign, I want to listen at 97. As we move from one stoplight to the next stoplight, I see him song on the ear. Only thing Bobby can does them bus song. Remember, Quick Cook this way to the world. And when you bust a song, you have to have it in a high rotation.
True that.
And that me I try to tell you now, as my musical brother. Don't tell me you not play tonight and then tomorrow you have to skip it out. And some music go. You ever hear say Grace stop promote? No bother with that something there. I love on the youth. So just do the right thing as a bad man.
Yeah.
You see me?
And that, because it's a rhythm.
It's a juggling.
It's a juggling.
Yeah.
Put it away there. And on the juggling now, based on what I know,
Yeah.
I know that Fambo, Smurda Dance.
Bobby Smirnoff, #1 on Apple iTunes. The star there beside it. Yeah, and we have to big up Bobby Smirnoff for reposting that song.
Oh, Bobby Smirnoff reposted
yeah, Bobby Smirnoff reposted the clippings is up. And you see the blue tick and him, yeah, repost it back. And at midnight, big up Bobby Smirnoff.
Mad thing, man.
Yeah.
So Fambo, I help power the thing on the other side there.
Watch this now. I both choose me there my song I play and Fambo say, how for the rhythm? And I say, my own. And the man say, me have a thing named Bobby Smirnoff, and I say, Fambo, watch this. You have to go dancing, you know, and kill them, you know. Yeah.
And that's how it go.
When I write the same, go and murder the rhythm about 11 o'clock in the morning. Me the man called me and said, brand new dance, is I want to murder. Make us see everybody I do the Bobby Smirnoff. Bobby Smirnoff, and we just come and fit it. And create it. And the man just, you know, if I'm going to miss anything with him say, I say, yeah, I hit that. No, yeah. Connect. Here comes a hit song. #1 on Apple Music. I not talk YouTube or Vivo where someone buy out.
Apple Music.
Apple Music. Yeah, #1. Remember, big up Damage. Because through me, just a focus by putting in the work. I not responsible for the sales or what go on. A Damage, I say, quick cook, look. You don't see the star beside it. I say, a lie. I know I'm not go check it. You see what I say? Yeah, man. I just a work in a teach. Yeah, because you see right now, I can't bother with it. I just a work teacher. Because I'm in a mood. I want to help some artists. I know I can do it.
As you say, Fambo go dancing, ding dong, on the same juggling.
Ding dong, man. Room, that or that, this or this. Pass the sickness on me one clot it. Room, gone. Then ding dong say, quick cook, intro the song. And I say, ding, why me? Him say, no, intro the song. And I just go in and say, as a bad man, rukumpeng badness, room.
Ancient monarchy.
Frisco Kid pan the
King
rhythm.
of the street.
King of the street, yo, Frisco Kid, yo, the man come grab the rhythm sound I throat and a strong blade. Baby fast, them don't know me stay already. When me talk, yeah, drop off. When me roll out heavy. Don't ramp with Frisco Kid, pan the juggling.
Who else about the juggling?
And we have Sirani pan the juggling.
That drop yet? Coming at
No, Sirani
well,
drop yet.
Earlier, about 39 streets in a reach.
Yeah, you know, so me have a copy when me have campaign, but Sirani say, I want to drop out in a song, so, you know, we have to just give the artist what you want. Because some music going, if you don't give me what me want, I go feel unbalanced, so to make the artist feel comfortable. Me confirm about the mix and everything, but by like him really give back the song a release, I say, Jesus Christ, a song you bad when me have a quick cookie, and this it one. Him say one that, so literally speaking, the engineer have it right now, I dress it up back and I nurse it up.
Mix and master.
Yeah, man, he's the one
Sirani, the pan the juggling, who else is there?
Bugle just come chop up the whole of the neck of the rhythm again.
Yeah.
Bugle go hard, you know him ever bun them, you know. Bugle do
the
that song,
mix, bro.
come like a meme do that song, yeah. Yeah, Bugle in the ramp with them. I not even want to tell them about in the song, just wait for it.
So who else is there? So that's a Sirani and Bugle.
Bugle, Ding Dong, Fambo, and Frisco Kid.
And Frisco.
Yeah, man, a 6 song there on the rhythm, man. That's where the juggling stop, man. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good works, brother, man. Good works, man.
Nice work. The project, nice. 5 song mix already. There's 1 song left on a bugle. And we have to big up the whole of the ZJ them from Zip, from IRFM, from Sun City, and overseas. And the DJ them went on the street who give me the love. DJ Kenny Dan Kingston, that come them. And DJ Treasure and a couple more other DJ out there who put the songs them. Pan the mix, respect, Shani B. Just line up a juggling in the week and when me look, me say 4 songs come out on it, so it's a good look.
Yeah. This though is not your first project like that, because I think you have a juggling before called
One Language
with Beanie, Sizzler, Burro.
And Burro Bantan.
I just have 3 artists that are on it?
No, new kids is there on it, me is on it too.
Okay.
You see me? And Burro Bantan, Sizzler, Beanie man, you know. And Shaka Pow, you know.
Okay.
You see me? They're on the rhythm, you know. But you don't know how the system go, you know. Yeah, me just squeeze out on the underground on them and make it go on. Bite them on.
What the name of this juggling do?
No, right now, we are calling a rhythm Money at the Target.
Money at the Target. Okay, so you would have a title track on it.
Me have the title track. I'm more likely, me was the first artist to voice on the rhythm.
Okay.
And me that call the rhythm money.
Who build the rhythm?
You know, it's a Sheldon K.
Sheldon K.
Yeah, build the rhythm. Yeah, man, I'm a little producer from day one, an engineer and one, and we give him piece of the rhythm rights, so me not crave, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Split sheet and all.
So when I have to do the right thing, him name up on it. If you look on the track money I target, you say, co-producer Sheldon K.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Because when a youth do good, you know, we have to make him feel present in everything.
Encouragement, strengthen labor.
And we can't go on like a we alone. No. You see me? So I have to big up Sheldon.
I can't fall in love with the production part, I think, bro, man.
Yeah, me have a dream feat, you know. Me have a love feat, you know. Because I want to do it big, you know. Because if me can organize a project here with so much giant, which me reach out to a couple of them artists, bridging them. And some of them no respond. Some of them see the text and not respond. Some of them are toast.
Some of them just busy, man.
Yeah, and no matter busy, man. Me never busy when them call me, you know. Me always stop what me I do and attend what them say. Because so me know it goes as a musician to musician. Which one of them call me and me ever stutter? Me happy to hear my musical brother call me at any minute, any time. So me I reach out and now, I'm there I wait. I don't know. Enough of them I reach out to, enough of the giant them. Because if you listen to the rhythm, you know, it's a hardcore dancehall rhythm, you know.
The Frisco grab it up, man.
When you say Frisco Kid, him no voice for certain rhythm. And anything will make you move your shoulder. When you see Frisco Kid move him shoulder, I know him in trouble. And from there, so I know him love the rhythm. Yes, right? Yeah, Bounty Killer say him a go voice for the rhythm, him a go be the last one for voice. So hopefully him voice, you see it? And me a wait for my general for voice for the rhythm. Yeah, so I say Liquid for voice for the rhythm, but the country open up back and you know I'm busy out there in the world. Liquid, I'm a DJ, I'm a ZJ. Him give me a whole heap of strength in this. So Liquid, I have to acknowledge him present to the fullness, to the ground I'm walk, and if I'm lying, I'm dying. You see me, I say them youth, they fight with my career as a ZJ in the music industry. Give me some power play, boy. You see me? And make people know, say, I have a quick cook. Gary G and couple more money. You see DJ Wayne and Sunshine Sparks and you see me, I say digital
you out there make some moves, bro, man.
No, move have to make, you know, because if we don't make no move, you know, or the movie I gonna make and or teacher come link me.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Go on do the thing, bro.
We not stop
I like the direction of the thing I head towards.
The thing in one great direction, you know, because our videos where I look forward to, you know, because in the week, we want to organize for shoot Frisco Kid video. Make
sure say the business part of the thing now, like in a production.
Yeah.
In line and in place, you know, brother.
Yeah, because
I don't want to interview you 5-10 years on the road, you know, brother, and you say, yo, teach, you know, say,
nothing go on.
Nothing go on, and this go on, and that go on.
No, I just scribe baby fast up a jail cap, you know, wish
you go register him?
Yeah, I go register him. And all of the songs, them, I get the tracking number for them and carry them back up there now. You see me? Because over the years, we just work. But since the production chip in, you know, I wait for Zoja them, you know, to send me the rest. Because I get the rest, so I just get a portion of song from Apilus in my email. So I just wait for Zoja them to send for them thing. And we just make one link and go up at jams. Go fix things. You see me? Because baby fast, I have to know what I'm going on.
Yeah,
Even I do this, so. Yeah, man. So the business part of it, we take time. I get there.
Fix it, man.
Yeah, man. Slowly but surely.
Man.
Yeah, I know it's important,
very
but
important.
At the time, me is a man, me just a work teach.
Yeah, man. But part I work that.
Yeah, but that part I work, they have to come in. That's why.
By sweat, shall I, man?
Teach and Joe, the first, the bank book will open for baby fast. Is a check him get. For the production.
Statement are coming already, bro.
So statement start coming, man.
Mad thing, man.
And when the statement come in, I say, Papa, this come in, you know. I'm climb over the bank, get him thing them together, and open up a bank book for him and cry the check, go bank in his name and show him, say, youth. Or when you're 18, you can touch a piece of food. Yeah. You see what I say? So all of them things I collect, I transfer and I go over there to him.
Mad thing,
so,
man.
We have to set some foundation for the youth.
Mad thing.
Yeah, man.
Go and put in the work, brother. I realize I don't focus struggles the man treat with and deal with the night thing, brother.
We go through a whole heap of obstacles in the game, because the game rough, you know. You see me, I say, half of the story never been told, teach him, because a whole heap more, you know.
Can't imagine.
It's a raggy road, dada. You have to have faith. You see me? Because the street testably, you know. I know where you go out there, I go see, you know. Enough time I buck up something out there, man. I'm going God is no, man. I fit me, I fit for there to the day.
Go and do it, man.
Yeah, man.
Go and do it, brother.
I mean, now stop do it, man. Because I'm well determined searching for my goal, you know. And me the love, the people them acknowledge my presence to the fullness. Them know what I go on, you know, teach them. But I just more work.
It all click one day, man.
Yeah,
Go
man.
and put in the work,
I
man.
just more work. I not beg for no sponsor. I mean, I wait for the handout. I just go and work. That's why I teach them to link up. Because we are you to reach out to the greatest of people. Them. You see what I say? I say, yo, we need strength.
Yeah. For the people them out there who want to get in touch with Quick Now, whether for dub plate, whether for because you're a producer you know, you understand, our producer we want to gear with him, we want to find you, how them find Quick Cook.
You know, music reach a level right now, you know. Literally speaking, I have a number for my Instagram when you can contact.
Run it number, say we, man.
571-7438.
Run it again.
You see what I say? 571-7438. Anyway, Instagram out there, Quick Cook Official. Because when them want DM you, nowadays a man a personal. A DM you, you know. Because a man can't go through the back door.
Right.
The artist
directly.
official. You see what I say? We not stop no man food or we not grow no man thing. But the sound man, them get too much beat nowadays. Them a say, yo, we are link the artists. Because them are people them feed off for the gram, you know.
Right.
And she say, oh, a Quick Cook already him thing, we're going to reach out to him. Because dub plate come in now and then, drops come in now and then. And
right, I mean, can imagine see you get all of our drops.
Yeah, no, you see drops.
Slam
oh my
thing.
God, man, drops never stop coming, man. No, at this them I run down as a bad man.
As a bad man.
Room. I will place as a teacher. I love them something them. Remember me do all that, you know, I just sack, you know. Them have an imitation, I say, I will place, I say that, you know. But I me have the sound.
You have a sound, man.
Yeah, so that knock off there, you have to stay one side.
Bad
my
thing.
voice can't hide, you know. Yeah, man, literally speaking, my voice leading from Monday straight back to the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you listen, most of the mixtape them out there, you hear my voice them on them. Even the pot cover them we hear and knock, I go, so ping, and me knock them if you never know, you know. A man cut them out, we go all over the world, go hear them something there. The pot cover we hear and knock,
You know what you're talking about, brother?
Me, I know the brother where you see out there walk with it. No, me. Create that. DJ Kenny, bust it and send it to the world. Big up DJ Kenny. Because I used to find the idea of them.
You link him up.
And do it, I always send him. Then I saw them go and walk with 2 pot cover in my back, man, and come some man. I said, sound it. And knock it pot cover, man. Because I know the sound you can reach to a dimension, you know, and drag your ears, you know. Me know how to set the outside trap.
You're the goalkeeper, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, before we forget. So, you're doing the selecting anymore? Yeah.
No, you know, I'm not trouble it no more, you know, because I'm a ball, you know. But me have a love feet, you know.
You have a love feet.
Yeah, and it's that thing when we love that, man. We love music.
So, which
you know?
part of the music, Quick Cook, is more comfortable with?
No,
like, you had peace less or more than the rest of areas?
Wait,
so, selecting,
yeah.
DJing, slanging, producing, which are the area you have the greatest love for?
No, literally speaking, me have love for the whole 5 of them, you know, but me have focus on the artists. You see me? But me still a multitasker, you know, you have other artists out. That's why you see me have a juggling with Frisco Kid, Ding Dong. We still can reach out to other artists and young artists and look strength and we can apply strength to them. We go, you see me I say? That's the thing there. Because we can have the talent, you know, hold it back, you know. That's why you see me have a baby fast, you know, bring
Baby fast, come around here, sir, because I see your skin I hit you. Come on the side around here, sir.
Come on here, sir, Papa. Forward.
Come around here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Stop going like a shy, my youth. Because I'm there, so I know saying a shy.
Come on
here,
here,
sir,
Papa.
nigga, man. I look up in the camera. I yell for people, them.
Yell them up now, man. Pick them up.
Man, I want mic.
Nah, man, you don't know mic, man. Just start, man.
They got the people in there, man.
Peeps, I agree with Baby Fastest. Producer, all of them sit there.
Yeah, man.
Bright boy, all of them sit there. And some young man too quick, man.
Yeah, man.
You do well, man.
The school, man. Them youth are clean every day. I say
Clean
look,
every day.
Every
Yeah,
day
man.
I
Bad
say
thing.
look, man.
I'm going to do the thing in the general and take the school thing seriously. You see me, I say?
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's important, man. Where I'm right name?
Them are lonely,
Them are, yeah, man. Mad thing, man.
Yeah,
Known as
man.
Baby Fast.
Yeah, man. So him says a man that blush right through, you know.
In the future, when the thing reach where if it reach.
Not if it reach. It
No,
have
not
to
if,
reach,
it's a reach where it's supposed to reach.
Yeah.
You go sit down and hold a reason about the journey again and them something. There.
No problem, I
See?
go there in the studio, you know.
Anyway, man, you
Yeah,
know,
so
really
me I say,
matter, man.
cause
Just
we
go and put in the work,
organize
bro. Or you
up the
try to
studio.
build something.
Yeah, because we buy the thing them already, you know. Remember, we have the speaker them in the house and now we buy the mic and the headphone and we have the laptop. But you don't know the thing, you know. We have a little inside thing right now, but in the future, next time, we're going to pop
Official
up in
settings.
the official settings.
Do it, man.
We are trying to get
Do it,
there,
bro.
you know.
Do it, bro.
You see what I
Do
say?
it, man.
Because we have a dream and we have a vision and we want to do it big.
Yeah.
You see me? And them artists have a voice in me. And anybody can get Sirani, Frisco Kid, Ding Dang, Future, Famba voice for them. You see what I say? So we have to big up the whole of the artists, them build up, and the project will give me the strength and the support and the love. Because we now playing a game. Now for the man them out there, them come like a remote control. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be a control them have the thing on out there. And we now playing a game, the thing serious, teach them. We love this, you know. And we are doing it with a super passion.
I see the passion, man.
One day, we'll get a breakthrough. I tell you, it's in the ear that if we can sell #1 on Apple Music, check the levels. Greatness ahead. And the song them well mixed, so we have to big up the mixer who mix the song them. You see me? Because we have a bad mixer. Did it, big up yourself. You see it? Yeah, man, the people them love your work. So just go and do the right thing, man. Crime Boss. You know,
Crime Boss, big up yourself, you know,
yeah,
man.
Crime
Boss, man.
Yeah,
really
under
like,
the
man.
label, you know.
I'm under
Bread Organization
Okay.
label. One of the bad species, them.
I know what's
You
talented,
say,
man.
Super talent. The youth there.
Last
Jesus
time, we buck
Christ,
him run
man.
one part time and Turbulence with that.
Turbulence
part
apart.
at the
Yeah,
time.
man. I'm a G, man. Them youth, they call, we born and grew up on Cassava Piece, Gully side. You know. And as a youth that they run the thing, and me and him have a couple collab, you know. Yeah, good book and nothing other than bread, you know.
Right.
It's a youth where we get inspiration from too. You see it? Yeah, man,
As
it's
I
a
said,
youth.
yeah, as I said, collab, we know so you appear on many songs with other people before. But is there any artist in particular you then love to go into the studio, go drop some bars on a track with?
Yeah, man, you have a couple of artists out there, man. Most of the artists, them, man, me da give a strength. We have Skeng, we da give him a strength. Joshy, same way, Intense. You see me?
All our young guns, them.
Yeah, me I want to have voice a song, but him get corrupt as me look a family. You see me?
Yeah, and break over a song?
Yeah, me and break off a song. Yeah, because oh, me and you, I want to do a song as family. Because remember you say I'm an uncle Pitney in a youth.
Oh, now family in a real life?
Yeah, real life. And me and him do a song, pay him the money, and him a hold out, I want to do the video, end up the project and drop. You start jump the fence. Youth, you have to remember, you know, where you come from.
Yeah, brother. No focus on a negative energy, man. Focus on everything I got to say, man. You understand what I say?
Me don't beat them, man.
Don't worry about it, man. We say positivity, man.
Yeah,
You understand?
man.
Pressures of life, only Billy, bro.
Yeah.
You understand? No lose focus. You say it, you know.
Nah, lose
Go and do the
focus.
thing.
Nah.
Brother, we appreciate the reason and the vibe and the energy, you know.
No, man,
In
it's
a
a
real
good
life.
looking at teacher.
Yeah, man. We enjoy this, brother.
Yeah, man, when them happy in their life, we're glad for them.
Yeah, man.
We never yet wish bad for them. We live to see our friend them and fight with. All we do is left God for them. Always have a plan for them, you know.
Mad.
You see me? Walk me some book and some bag. Remember
Hope
when
some
nothing-
book or some bank, give them, yeah.
Remember when nothing now go on, me used to go in and pack it and take the last give them in a teacher. Enough of them when them hungry, them call me God. And them call me MP. True, me can go in and pack it and take out my thing and give them. And when time for me shine, them not give me no love teacher. Me as a youth, enough things me do out there in a teacher.
That me realize, bro.
Enough things me do in a dada. I put all my career on the line for other artists in a dada. And when time for get my glory, them not acknowledge my presence, you know, and them know, and them feel like them win, and them spirit of them have, them still have to come back. Teach us something when I go through, boy, man, you would like, no, man, I me no want to talk some things, man, tell me talk some things, some man I got bend in the dog.
Yeah.
You see me?
So only way you can say, man. You know,
Yeah,
you
man.
don't worry
Tell
about that,
me,
man. You
tell
know
me,
what thing go.
teacher.
But brother, all of them things there, that's
Yeah.
part of your journey.
Part of
we
your
have
journey,
built it.
because
You understand what I
life
say?
come with a journey, you know, if you're not on a journey, it don't make no sense.
Just go and focus on the right thing, brother.
Yeah, man. A
Go
brother
and-
organization
Yeah,
we are
man.
focused on the label right now and the music them we are produce. You see me? And some new rhythm will come out. Because we have new song a drop, you know. You see me I say? A thing called Thumpar. You see me I say? And we have a thing for Damage. Yeah, we soon release Trouble in our game, you know?
Mad thing, man.
Yeah, man. And we have enough things
Go and do it, bro.
for better organization and
know
come
what thing
out.
go.
Heart of respect, man.
Heart of love, man.
Teach them.
Go and do it,
Yeah,
man.
man. See them a pre-war, so we tell them a money at the target. Spaintown, Babylon, money at the target. Mobile, Kingston, money at the target. The girl them say, teacher, a money at the target. Plane a fly, money at the target. Portmore Nagazette, money at the target. Money pull up, yo, West Bank has started. Pound and US family tree wanted. Just get some new leads. God bless America, me love a green leaf. Me get a new banger so the dog them a eat. GLE on the street, so I do it, we a do it. Client na it, so I reap, we a reap. Them a Louis V and a sell pan street. Go cheap on feet, boy, and nothing cheap. New sport wear, yo, teacher see them a pre-war, so we tell them a money at the target. Respect that day we take on the time, you know?
Not rather simple
Yeah,
thing,
man.
bro. Go and observe the journey and you know the progress
Yeah.
and the successes, brother. You understand? You know, with wins there come some losses. But just go and make the thing work, man.
No, we have to make it
We
work.
love the
you know?
direction, as we say, and we see the work that the man have put in, and we see some of the struggles down the years, bro. But I got over everything, man.
God over everything.
Yeah,
Because we
man.
not stop doing teacher, man. I love and love alone, you know. Someone the youth them in the music industry, we just live good, man. If we can help on the fathers and brothers and sisters, on it don't bad mind. When you do it, and everybody when can help, you know. But if we can do it, dog, when you do it, because we don't know when you help one person, much people them can come help, you know. You see what I say? Because you know, stop your saying, you know. So if nobody know out there telling them something there, me have to show no, as a bigger ones, because we out here we can teach them, you know.
Teach them, man.
Yeah, man.
Make sure the message reach
Children
them,
live
man. You know,
what they
teach
learn, so the message have to reach them. Musicians and selectors and artists shall live in love and unity. And that's the thing there. So big up all my fellow brothers and sisters in the music industry. We just keep doing the right thing. Producer, when they don't distract the little girl them. If them come, and we can help them, we help them, because them future bright. You see me? And we need to see more female in the industry and out to the world. Because the woman them have a lot to do with it. Yeah, man. I watch a stage show with Cartel, you know, yesterday, you know. And it's a joy to see Vanessa Bling and Gaza Kim and Indu and Sheba in call out over one of them island there. And I say, watch it, dada.
And Lisa.
Lisa,
I did bring Lisa.
yeah,
out,
man. Remember when Lisa did there, you know, so Lisa used to cock her thing every day of her book, right, you know.
Oh,
Me
yeah.
did it when Lisa and a bus, you know, find a song, you know. Yeah, man, when me did it, none of them girl in a bus yet, man. Tell me, I tell you, man. Not even pop in a bus yet, man. Family, none of them in a bus. I used to dip on the Gaza, you know. Yeah, man.
The man will live on the gully and then on the Gaza.
Gaza,
It's
man.
easier than you. Big up yourself.
I love,
I love, man.
Some of them know Informer, you know, Cartel know Informer, them know music, me I deal with in a teacher. You
Mad
think
thing,
me
right.
and a car gonna bring come, when me get it, me can out in the road up to today day. Because me no do nothing to offend me or nothing to harm me. Me never set up no youth life yet. And you, no man can distract me if you set up my brothers. Because if you take a man's life, me not depend that right now. And if you violate, I say a thing go.
You know, say it in a song, man, to take a man's life is not
It's
an
no
accomplishment.
achievement. Even some serious killers move decent. Some youths never get nothing but stealing at them, man. Never seen a book or a pen. We talk something, boy, you know, and them youth, you know, see what we are talking, you know. Because them say, how we quick cook finance something there, say.
One day, them have to go listen, man.
Them have to go listen.
One day, they have to go
May
listen.
I tell you?
Yeah, man.
You see that rhythm, yeah? I gonna be one of the most successful rhythm. A big singles are drop now. I'm one of the selector them out there going like on afraid of juggling for come play about music in a dance hall. Back in the day when Dave Kelly them and Jammins them and Steve them and some man a drop juggling. A 8 and 10 song I play upon the rhythm. Nowadays I can't find a juggling out there.
True that.
In 2022, tell me the juggling out there.
None of that, brother.
None of that there.
Be a single
I
part.
be a singles me here night.
that.
And me go out there with a juggling and some man I go on like them afraid to play it. If a youth or a producer come with a juggling and you can acknowledge the juggling and play a couple songs off it alright, me not tell you to play everything. But you can play everything. So teacher,
Bad thing.
music no live no man here. They want to listen Pepper Seed. And hear them rhythm them nice a juggle. 15 songs on it and 12 songs. Nice, everything I it. Show time. Drop leaf. Anger management. Them look at youth, them have a laptop, them feel like them are the greatest on top. Them play with them like, no. If me not tell them this, you know, how them are going to know? We have to have somebody who real and genuine like me. That I want to play the music, I want to get them, dog. Don't underestimate the music. Might one time I go way over one place, I know have the #1 song over there, Angel do this. A cricket match, me hear a match, and when I look at him I play night. And him not out here, so. So me just I tell you.
You know what I think, man?
You see me I say? When girl want hold your bus, it never at you, so Trinidad it at you know. Some want the youth them focus, dog. The man them a run down some song where nah go nowhere.
Cotton candy song them.
Cotton candy, me nah distract the youth song, you know.
No, but I true, brother, no matter. Some of my songs them not staying power, brother. We don't need to pretty it up quick. That's our next story for your next time. Because we can't sit down and talk about that for the whole day. But another to come here to talk about.
Fans, more to go support the thing. And we have the EP. It's called Pressures of Life. It dropped last year. But the whole pandemic kind of stopped the promotion. When you go out there, because it's still a sell. You see me I say? Baby, fast one money, so we have to do it fast. Go on for the mullah, go and make it breakfast. If you not talk mullah, that a big shop talk. Teacher, tell them no run for the bread. Quick! Work hard, never beg. Violate you with dead. Room, dollars, that are the meds, you know, see them dead. Dead. Hunting out, they don't know not a bed. See if you Spain town, you not go said. You know, look out for the song, As a Bad Man. You see what I say? Because you know we have one of the hottest slang now, Big Up Bounty Killer. Yeah, man, him have a song out there called As a Bad Man. But you know me create the slang. You see what I say? We have to respect the general. Yeah, to acknowledge you like me present. I say Bounty Killer come out and say, As a Bad Man. You know me feel powerful. A Bounty Killer that, you know. Much love. Big up to all I teach them fans in a brother organization to the world. Baby Fast, Crime Boss. Rum. You know, out, you know, fully pull up from shoes to pants. You know, when I drop the thing, you know, because teacher become see piece of it. You see, the energy. I see him go hard, you know. When he post him picture, nobody around with him, you know.
That's from cool, shoes to pants. That's cool.
No, I'm never challenging the idea. No, get it.
Apollo with it too, man. Apollo. The Scotty said, but I ride off some shoes.
Yeah, Apollo with this.
Apollo, man. Brother. I love, bro.
Yeah, it's a joy. That is a joy. That I mean, watch your thing, them, you know.
I know he's a fan, man.
You see me?
I know he's a fan.
Acknowledge your present to the fullness in a dada. You see me? You there for a reason, you're there for a purpose in a teacher. You see what you do for the music industry? And normal. We need some more serious journalists like you when I mix up the thing and ropes up the thing. You see me? And your thing shall last forever. May I tell you?
Give thanks,
you
man.
come rise back some giant boy our people you'd have forgot about. Because what you do for me today, a whole heap of people want to see this, you know. You don't even know people like say quick cook. And interviews. I always give them a different spice.
Vibe, brother. True,
and at least the people them like.
We just out here play our role, brother.
Yeah, man, a serious role here play, man. We like this
do
way
our thing and I enjoy it.
That
you see me I say?
A whole heap of
and I make people
heroes.
put the respect upon the man them name or the man them name forget, brother. It's a simple thing.
That's the thing, no, yeah, man. Them who give teacher the strength and who jump the fence and skip the line. One day, you have to go join the line. And when I go say, if me did know. You see me? My mother always tell me, say the first water, they ask me wash it out.
Them so find out, man. But as I say, stage and faces, man.
See the comments them on your thing and the people them always them say, teacher, who want to see this in a want
everybody. They want to see everybody that real, brother. They always tell them, say, artists in the line up and me gate to the brother. Yeah, that's sad. But we just stay out of the work. So when it app me to app, man, we just stay out enjoy the thing, brother.
Timing that, man.
Yeah, man.
Timing. When you can't get everything one time, you know. You have a thing when you slowly but surely.
Turco style, man. Slow and steady with the race,
yes, steady with the medicine. So when I get one I work, I will never expect this.
Every day they mark say 1 million people, man.
Yeah. When you keep focused, subscribe to my Viva channel, Quick Cook Viva. Follow me on Instagram, Quick Cook Official. And you can follow the Money at the Target page. Type in Money at the Target for the rhythm page. And the new artists them are up there on the follow the page because we're going to have rhythm I come out. You see what I say? For the new artists them, we're going to put out and give some youth some strength. Because time are coming now. when I can mix the song them on my yard and not have to pay this big money. Because what make you think my voice a whole heap of young artists said, because the production, it takes money, you know.
Takes cash to care, bro.
Me no want to do it.
And not do it right.
And not do it right. You see me? That's why you see what I do you now. Have the super substance there. Because I make up my mind and burn my belly.
Quality over quantity,
You see me? Remember me have money so I go buy a car over there, you know. And I gamble it in the music, you know. God Almighty, you know,
you gamble it, bro.
So I have to gamble it in the music. What I go do?
Yeah.
The songs them take money for mix, you know. I have to pay for the rhythm now, you have to go out at night
It's
time.
only just stage you can do everything in
you see me, I say? So
stages and phases.
Stages that say I'm going to buy 2 box and them things. Where do you think I do the money?
Investment.
I have to invest, buy the mic for $350 online. I have to buy the box them $570 for 2 box them 6 bills. You see me, I say the headphone, $180. No joke, no.
Brother, I know equipment go ahead, brother.
You see me, I say?
No, you know,
so I take time and buy up the thing them. What
yeah,
me go do now? Me go buy a car, me can't live in it, but the music a life. You see me, I can go in the studio and find a X and today we come change life. Me go buy the car, me have to plan for insure it, me have to go run taxi with it, me have to go do this. You see me, so me have to...
At the right move, man. Cars will come, bro.
Cars will come.
Yeah, man.
Because I gave me out in the cars will come. You know?
Yeah, man.
Dada, me just come as a teacher and gamble. I know me not lose.
Cars will
watch
come,
you know,
man.
teacher their foot, you know. So how me for lose, you know. And from teacher their foot, you know, everything get shook.
Man.
You see what me I say?
Yeah,
man, the greatest you interview, you know. No man not tell me nothing. Your program big. Yard and abroad. People tune in globally, yard and abroad. You have piece of the world, we stay so. You feed them. Anything where you drop, that's what you
use them. Still, bro. If you use them, your numbers them not lie,
your
man.
numbers not lying.
Yeah,
And you have a little daily news that come in same way you feed the people around now. We have to balance the thing in that.
Yeah, I watch it even true, man.
Me and mommy in my house. I subscribe to your channel them. So from the thing them pop up, me a man on every channel, you know. Because some of the man them talk too much and the unnecessary thing them. Me no look on them.
Yeah, man.
You know make up no story.
Never, man.
You never lie, so when me hear your inch, you know, yeah, some man has me hear them voice, me skip.
Yeah.
You see me don't want to hear them, but your thing them me have to follow.
Give thanks, man. I appreciate that, brother. I real life, you know.
You make me know what I'm going.
Give
You
thanks,
might not
man.
hear it from the news, but look more. Teacher just put up 1 hour ago. Ray. And I say, oh, that a go on?
And that a go on. That a go on.
Yeah, so you kind of feed me events and give me a 114 and keep me updated. So
thanks,
yeah,
man.
do a good thing for the people them, in the organization and the system them. Yeah, man, good look.
Blessings, bro, man. I appreciate the endorsement and the support, man. I really
love
like,
what I go on that, man.
Mad
Teacher,
thing.
I feel proud to know you're there to them, man. Yeah, man. Tonight, we're out in the street. Tonight, Wednesday night?
Yeah, Wednesday night.
Yeah, no, ready tonight and Magnum Wednesday. I'm just already here. Nah, go in back here, because
You say that going back?
No, you start the energy.
Yo, see you up on the graphic, you know, brother.
Go school and then,
One
man.
thing, we always
People
say,
big
no,
up on yourself.
step with joy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, not real life, man. Give thanks, man. Mad.
Down to the glass house, see through my life. What leap of struggle me go through my life. Family and suffer, Lord Jesus Christ. What leap of struggle me go through my life. Teach them. Me know your heart with a pain, you. If you ever sit down and view my life, boom! Google it. Type in quick cook and YouTube my life. Teach them. We not no house pan the hill and make. Work hard and still not have a meal and make. Mummy say, oh, she not get the oxtail dinner yet. More time me try a little gambling, so bring a sweat. Here's man, hear me, man. Big up mother in a Buffalo, New York. You know, a badness go, you see it. As a bad man. Big up my father, St. Mary. You know, him a go and then them up on the farm, June plum, breadfruit and them thing them bring in a week time for the people them down at all. Because him do him look at agriculture and him farming thing. So I have to big up my father. Because I'm a ball, I say, me nah give him a big up on the interview. Where you go there now? Tell me now, no daddy. Michael Lumley, big up yourself. Enfield people, St. Mary, Cassava Peace, Portmore, Whitehall, Red Hills Road, whole Jamaica, Mobile, big up on yourself. I love you now. When you stop the war and the violence and Park Lane, 100 Lane, Cassava Peace, 12 Lane, the youth them up there full time now. I no say, una win, police and the people them at the dead house. So I want to know, unity is strength. The little youth them who grew up, when stop kill off on one another. Make we show some love. I beg on the youth, one about the Cassava Peace so we know. Oh, me if you have an interview like this and can't come in and my home, come do it. Want to force me out there. I want to have to go see this. And who not like it, just drop asleep and I wake up back. But who want back the cassava piece, who want back the Red Hills Road, who want back the White Hall, who want back the Boone and Gully. We need back Kingston 8, Grand Spen, kind of alright. But from what day, I don't like what going on in my area. Too much distraction and unity is strength. So the youth them up there, in Jesus' name, I take out my glass. I beg you now, stop it, focus. I have a mother and a father, I want to do something. I have to remember, we drop on head, drop on shoulder. Don't do nothing for the day, you know, because teach, you come here to teach you, you know.
Timely message, brother.
Yeah, and the message, serious message.
Timely
yeah,
message.
Man, we don't want to see no more bloodshed. We don't want to see no more youth dead. Yeah, man. Money over war, you know.
Money at the target, man.
Money at the target, that man. The youth,
bro! That's your word, man.
Teach
Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah,
as you
man.
said, just do the do, I was there.
Good look, man.
Mad.
Yo, mommy, big up yourself, you know. Director, you know. Share on the video right through, you know. It's a good look. Room!
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.